This is how you place it. Makeup artist to a UX UI designer. I thought it would be really difficult, but such batao, it was very interesting. So hi, I'm Siddhi Shetty, a student at Design Board. Well, to talk about myself, I started my journey by being a BMS graduate and working as a makeup artist for this industry for more than 2 years. So after being in this industry for more than 2 years, I was looking out for career options wherein I could use my creativity and art and work up with something amazing every day. Looking at my background, few of my friends suggested me about a UX UI designing course, but I was not quite sure because I didn't have proper knowledge about it. So I did my research and understood that UX UI was just making a digital blueprint of one's creativity aligned with providing top-notch customer experience. So I thought, यार ये तो एक perfect blend है मेरे creativity, artistic side और technology का. फिर मैंने सोचा इससे ज्यादा क्या चाहिए. अब मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा सवाल ये था कि मैं ये कोर्स करूँ कहाँ से. That is when I started looking out for institutions as my first priority was an offline batch because I wanted to start from the scratch. With the help of internet, I got to know about Design Board, wherein I went through their Instagram page and their website. Going to the website, I actually understood that they have this session hosted by their CEO and founder of Design Board, wherein I got to know about the curriculum, what exactly UX UI designing is, eligibility, and where actually your future stands in this, portfolio, placement, etc., giving me a clarity about whether this course is for me or not. And then I found out that Design Board is actually a great place for me. Talking about my journey in Design Board, I would say a person who barely knew how to use a laptop to actually designing and creating amazing apps and websites was quite astonishing. And my mentor helped me throughout the journey and was quite understanding as well. One of the important factors about being part of an offline batch would be you not only get to learn from the mentors, but also from the people around you who've been quite in a similar industry. The major factor about being a part of this bootcamp, I would say, would be their one-on-one review with your mentors, where they help you understand the designing principles and build a solid portfolio for you. Portfolio was something that was eye-opening for everyone, and because it helped us understand where we actually stand and what exactly is the work according to the industry. I would say portfolio is a place wherein you can showcase your art and create a first impression in front of the brands. So at Design Board, they have a separate placement team wherein they conduct back-to-back placement drives in the campus. A lot of companies actually reach out to them for their requirements, and once you're done with the portfolio, the next step is diving into the industry. Are you someone who's looking out for freelancing? Don't worry. They conduct one session which is totally dedicated towards freelancing. In the end, I would say thank you Design Board for making me a part of your family.